Boy, me can't go around you no more, Bounty. Bounty Killer is grateful for getting his US visa back. Yes, I know it happened couple days forward. But right now, Rodney Price is on cloud 10 because him touch foreign again. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Rastafari Soldier here again. Greetings, greetings, greetings to all dancehall fans. Me a talk about 90s, 80s, 2000 and 2001. Listen, Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, the dancehall Grand Godzilla is now in the United States. Look, I have to speak about it because if I don't, I would have been a bit. I know I'm late, but after a decade, yes, more than a decade, 15 years actually, the dancehall legend Bounty Killer has risen. He has regained his US visa, paving the way for his return to the United States stage. The veteran DJ, whose real name is Rodney Price, shared the news with a heartfelt statement on Tuesday, expressing gratitude to his supporters, management team, and to the US Consulate General. 15 years ago, I lost my US visa and have been waiting patiently to have it restored ever since. A few days ago, I finally had it restored, Bounty Killer stated. His attribute to the achievement to the divine intervention according to God. Yes, as he acknowledged the Most High and said, sure source of blessing. Additionally, he paid tribute to his late great mother, Miss Ivy, expressing his appreciation for her guidance and her management and support. May she rest in peace. God bless you, mama. Big up yourself, Mama Ivy. May I tell you the truth? Bounty Killer always extended special thanks to his manager, Paul Banky. Yes, look here. Commence and his unwavering dedication throughout my challenge. Big up Banky. You never lost hope, even when we faced numerous of rejection. Thank you, Banky. The entertainer further expressed gratitude to the US Consul General for his support, as well as the embassy staff for their courageous and courteous service during the visa application process. I am forever grateful for all the efforts in resolving my issue. Thanks also to the staff member of the embassy who is constantly greeting me with a warm smile and providing me with exceptional service. Concluding in his statement, Bounty Killer thanked his families, friends, and fans for their enduring support. You have all been a source of inspiration, and I am forever grateful for you, your unwavering commitment to me and the music. Now, families and friends, I man have a video with Bounty Killer forwarding to the Americans, and I man just want to find out if this is not joyful, if this is not, the greatest moment right now for Bounty Killer. As Bounty Killer hits the plane and rise, you see Bounty Killer here. He is in America with Khalid, and right now Bounty is just excited. You are going to straight like a youth, like a kid in a candy factory. You understand? I'm going to big up Khalid for his unwavering support, to the dancehall, although I man think say him, is a little culture vulture. But again, you have to give respect where respect is due. And Khalid has been in the industry, in the dancehall with us for so long. So I man just have to just give credit where credit is due. So big up DJ Khalid, Yorganti, and big up Bounty Killer, and congratulations on your visa, and all the best, all the best. I couldn't continue go around your Bounty. Yeah, big up yourself. You're a real general of the dancehall. And more life and more joy. Sorry say Mama Ivy never, get to see you with this again. But she knows that you is a great man. So big up Bounty Killer Rodney Price. We have nothing negative to say about you right now. Congratulations on getting your US visa forward. And me rate how you hold out. Me rate how you never, me I say, bow out yourself now way. But right now, I have a question for the people when I speak of like bowing out yourself and thing, because I man notice that this one youth here is always up. I interview all of the artists them. So I man just want to know if you tell me, let me know if this man here is swimming in the sea or if he's not swimming in the sea. And the person I'm talking about here is when name Wilfred Williams, because me notice him ever up in all of the dancehall thing them. You are going to see him always interview every artist we forward to the United States of America, or him always, up in I interview the top artists them, and I notice from Cartel to Bounty Killer, him interview them. So I man notice something here at the end of this video right here, right? The way him speak on the video, I really want to ask if this man is swimming in the sea. And if he's swimming in the sea, is this like something where them do make the artists them bow down to these eels? So what I talk about is at the end of this video. So I want to just make me know if this man is see him here. Yeah, watch him race. I'm race me I talk about, Yes, you understand? So me don't know if the item know if the item know more than me. Yeah, me don't know if one know more than me. Me I make one hear the audio. Yeah, Ganti.
Touchdown, American soil.
Who don't like to find out? Put it in the comment.
Bounty Killer. Touchdown, American soil in style. Private jet.
Yeah, just that more know if that youth that's swimming in the sea, because I think him name Winfred Williams or something, and me always see my interview all of the artists them. Never I want to put that forward pan Bounty Killer thing, but just a little thing, me I say. So big up Khalid, big up Bounty Killer, yeah, the I touch forward in the United States. And right now, Dancehall has been resurrected with a combination of Vibes Cartel and Bounty. And Beanie Man is out there, re-energizes him thing, cause Beanie is a man when nah let it go. You are guarantee? No way. That man is the hardest working man in the industry. So big up yourself, Bounty Killer. You have more life and congratulations. Yeah, and your renewal of your US visa. More life and more joy. Couldn't go around your longer Bounty. Big up yourself, gentlemen.